you operate guest Wi-Fi in retail, hospitality, or transport, you are processing personal data under GDPR. MAC and IP addresses captured by Wi-Fi networks are classified as personal data, not just technical routing information. Three concepts define Wi-Fi compliance. First, the captive portal, the web page users see before gaining network access. Second, lawful basis, the legal justification under Article 6 of GDPR required to process personal data. Third, the data processing agreement, a legally binding contract regulating how personal data is handled between controller and processor. Three rules matter most. The unbundled baseline: never make network access conditional on marketing consent. Policy versus program. A policy is a document saying you delete data after 90 days. A program is an automated script that actually purges it. Regulators look for programs. Finally, MAC equals person. Always treat MAC and IP addresses as personal data under GDPR. Read the full guide at purple.ai.